The YZ250 offers pure performance and full-throttle adrenaline in a lightweight and reliable two-stroke machine. The 2026 YZ250 is a perfect choice for experienced racers and enthusiasts seeking a high-performance two-stroke that blends speed, agility, and proven reliability. Race-inspired styling. From the sharp embedded graphics, premium Yamaha graphics are embedded to provide excellent durability and scratch resistance. Aggressive bodywork, including front and rear fenders, blacked-out radiator shrouds and number plates, to the smaller details like fork guards. The 249cc liquid-cooled reed valve-inducted two-stroke is lightweight, compact, and fun, featuring the patented Yamaha Power Valve System (YPVS) for crisp response and an incredibly wide, hard-hitting power band. The YZ250's renowned suspension performance offers unmatched levels of control, capability, and comfort. The class-leading speed-sensitive system 48mm inverted KYB fork includes a leaf spring in the mid-speed valve for more precise damping and increased performance. The fully adjustable KYB rear shock features reduced friction Kashima coat internals, separate adjusters for high and low-speed compression damping, and a full-lock oil rebound system. A carefully engineered advanced aluminum frame and swing arm give the YZ250 the best handling in the 250c class. A carefully considered ergonomic design includes a flatter seat, narrow fuel tank, smoothly integrated body panels, and slim shroud width to enable greater freedom of movement forward and back, allowing the rider to easily shift body weight for increased control and confidence. Lightweight 21-inch front and 19-inch rear Excel rims provide exceptional durability and a premium look. They come paired with Dunlop Geomax MX33 tires, offering race-developed performance for a wide range of terrain. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250 continues to uphold its legacy as one of the most iconic two-stroke motocross bikes in the industry. With its lightweight aluminum frame, powerful 249cc liquid-cooled two-stroke engine, and KYB suspension, it delivers sharp handling, instant throttle response, and aggressive track performance. While the core design remains true to its roots, Yamaha continues to refine the YZ250 with updated styling, improved ergonomics, and competitive performance components that make it race-ready out of the box.